Self-improvement is like a blacksmith forging steel. It's not the easy days that shape us, but the intense heat and pressure. In tough times, our true character is revealed. Just as steel becomes stronger with each hammer strike, we become more resilient through every challenge. When faced with obstacles, remember that each struggle refines you, like the fire that tempers the blade. Embrace these moments as opportunities to grow. Face them head-on with courage and let your perseverance be the fire that forges your strength. Your journey through adversity is what shapes you into your strongest self.